Hello, and welcome again. Building the inclusion list and affiliate marketing, effective internet marketing plan. Creating the inclusion list and affiliate marketing has become synonymous with online success as an effective internet marketing strategy. For many online sites, creating an opt-in list and affiliate marketing have proven to be quite profitable, mainly because the majority of online users are not exposed to any unscrupulous internet marketing strategy prevalent on the World Wide Web. As an effective internet marketing strategy, users have the option of signing up for information or services provided by a specific website. Strategies for creating the subscription list and affiliate marketing. There are several strategies that affiliate marketers can use to create a subscription list and affiliate marketing. One way to create a list with affiliate marketing is to buy or lease a list of third-party subscribers. This is usually done by affiliate marketers to gain easy access to many people who have consented to receive emails, newsletters, and e-zines on various topics. Incentives to create the subscription list and affiliate marketing. Building an inclusion list and affiliate marketing can also be encouraged, offering incentives to potential subscribers. There are several methods used in affiliate marketing to encourage potential subscribers to sign up. Offering products and services in exchange for registration is commonly practiced by many affiliate sites. Products may include exclusive software to the subscriber. Another way to get subscribers to subscribe is to offer services only to members. Regardless of the incentive used to create the subscription list and affiliate marketing, an essential factor to consider is how to maintain subscriber interest. Remember, it is just as easy for a subscriber to opt out of the list as it is to enter the directory. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.